Hello friends, now in this video we will discuss the user section of the WordPress dashboard. Like right now we can see in all users we have one admin user. So if you want to add more user, you can click on add new, and here you can see username required like Umair Butt, and the email required like umairbutt_61@yahoo.com. First name is Umair and last name Butt. Website is not mandatory because every person don't have his website. So password, like show password, you can create a password. I will create a simple password, confirm use of weak password, and I will give this user as subscriber, the rights subscriber. Add new user. So you can see now in this Chrome, we are logged in as an admin. So what I will do, first of all, I will click on the settings of the coming soon, and I will off the coming soon. Okay, and then we will log in from another browser where I'm not logged in as an admin. So here you can see localhost /WordPress/WP-admin. So you can see the username which we created. Don't save. So this is simple subscriber. You can see only the profile. So what we will do now, we will go to the user section. So anytime we can change the user's right, from subscriber I will give contributor right. So contributor will, if we refresh now, we'll find more options like all posts, can add new posts but cannot publish directly. You can see this one, so cannot publish directly. See, if I add this one and publish, so submit for review. So for review this person can submit, and all posts, if we click leave page, so I can see other post as a user of the admin, but we can't delete, contributor can't delete. So if you change the rights from contributor to author, then author can directly add the post, publish the post, but cannot read or edit other users post. If you add it to editor, so what editor can do, if you refresh now, editor can also edit the other users post as well. He or she can directly publish the post as well without review. And the last one, you can give as administrator rights, so upgrade user. So if you refresh now, all things will find this user. So this is the user section, very easy. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and also share the video with your friends, and also tell me your feedback, and also submit your comments. Thank you very much once again.